Here are the ingredients for our vegan mayonnaise. Half cup of oil, 1/4 cup of soya milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of mustard powder and half teaspoon of lime juice. Now that we've had a look at the ingredients for this vegan mayonnaise, let me show you how to make it. The first thing you have to do is put the soya milk into a small blender. Then goes in the oil, salt and the mustard powder. The next thing you need to do then is to blend it together nicely. Once it's nicely blended, all you have to do is add the lime juice and give it another quick spin. And our mayo is done. Now all you have to do is put it in a bowl to serve. See how light and fluffy it is? And that's it. Our creamy vegan mayo is done. You can serve it with some crackers or even with some vegetable sticks. If you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network and write in with your feedback.